The cordless impact wrench by this hill delivers a formidable torque of 1,328 foot-pounds, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks such as automotive maintenance and agricultural machinery work. This impact wrench features a versatile 3-speed system, allowing users to select the appropriate speed for delicate screwing tasks, everyday maintenance, or tackling stubborn bolts. The reverse brake stop design enhances safety by automatically reducing torque and speed when loosening nuts, preventing parts from being ejected unexpectedly. With two 4-ampere-hour lithium battery packs, this tool offers extended endurance, enabling continuous operation without frequent battery changes and minimizing downtime. The brushless motor construction ensures durability and efficiency, lasting up to 3 times longer than traditional motors while reducing noise levels. For added convenience, the wrench is compatible with Makita batteries, ensuring that finding replacements is never a hassle.